that?
Cockles and crayfish, it's a sloth. The green stuff's algae. Sloths move so slowly that it grows on them. Best of friends, though. The algae is somewhere to live, and it gives the sloth camouflage. The sloth looks like a tree. It smells like a tree.
Oh, foresty.
Oh, yeah. It even moves like a tree.
Trees don't move.
Exactly. This fella only comes down from the tree once a week to go to the toilet. Oh, yeah. Watch your feet.
Ugh. You must do something. Nothing. We've been sitting here for ages and the sloth has done nothing.
What did I tell you? They just laze around all day.